will supply drugs and facilitate drugs for other people. But let me tell you, a day and time is going to come where people will supply drugs for your sons. And inshallah that will happen, remember. You think you're going to get away with it? It's never ever going to happen. I want this message to go to every single khabis, zalim drug dealer in Bradford. Every single one of them, they think they're big time. Not a single one of them is big time. Here, there's BD3. Lanat upon BD3. Every single one of them. Here, West Bowling. Around here, Grieve Street. I want this message to get to every single one of them. All that Toller Lane area. Every single one of them. Every one of you are zalim. Every one of you are a criminal. Every single one of you deserve Jahannam. You think Allah's azab is not going to come? You've wrecked the Muslim ummah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to cry all night for this ummah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's teeth and lips, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's cheek became filled with blood. Why? So that this deen comes to this ummah, and you are doing peshab and all that mehnat. Every single one of you is a criminal, zalim. Every single one of them. Sahaba